Welcome. If you've ever felt like your phone is showing a little too much on the lock screen, you're not alone. Privacy matters, and sometimes you don't want every notification about new followers or contact updates being visible to anyone who picks up your phone. In this video, I'll guide you step by step on how to hide follower and contact notification content on the lock screen for the X app. It's quick, simple, and once you set it up, you'll have more control over what stays private. First, start by opening your main phone settings. This is where you can manage all your apps and notification preferences. From there, scroll down and look for the option labeled Apps. Tap on it, and you'll see a full list of every app installed on your device. Next, locate the X app. Tap on it to enter its individual settings. Once you're inside, go ahead and select Notifications. This section lets you customize what types of alerts you want from the app and how much detail shows up. Now, tap on Notification Categories. Here, you'll see different types of notifications that the X app can send. Look for the one labeled Followers and Contacts. This is the category that controls alerts about new followers and updates from people you've connected with. Tap on Followers and Contacts, and then look for the option called Lock Screen. By default, many phones are set to show full notification content, which means message details or alerts may appear right on your lock screen. Finally, select Hide Content. This setting will still notify you that something is happening in the X app, but it won't display the sensitive details for everyone to see. That way, your notifications stay discreet until you unlock your phone and check them yourself. And that's it. You've now successfully hidden follower and contact notification content from showing up on your lock screen. It's a small change, but it goes a long way in protecting your privacy and keeping your personal updates to yourself. If you found this helpful, make sure to take a moment to adjust similar settings for other apps too. You'll be surprised how much more private your phone feels when you're in control of what appears on your lock screen.